today? I just wanted to pop on today. It's Christmas. Christmas is next week. Can you believe it? Anyway, I've been working on a little project and I wanted to share my little project with you guys so that you could do this with your kids for next year. Hey Michelle, how are you doing? So I wanted to, hey Misty. So I wanted to come to you live and just share an idea that I do, and this would be something for you to think about for next year with your family. So the holidays are all about making wonderful memories with your kids, am I right? And starting traditions. So I wanted to share our house mold kit with you. So the house mold comes with these two pieces. So you get a, here you get a front and a back. Well, actually that's the front because there's the front door. So you get a front and a back. You get the two roofs and then you get the two side pieces. All right. And with it, of course, comes a recipe. The recipe is super duper easy. Hey Laura, super duper easy. It's right here on the use and care card. Right? So you can use this with sugar cookies, you could use this with gingerbread, just about anything. And the cool part is you can put Jolly Ranchers in here and cook it in the oven, and then you have like a glass house. It's kind of a see-through glass house. Now who would have thought that, right? Would y'all have thought to put Jolly Ranchers in here and melt it and make a glass house? I certainly would not have thought of that, but you can. So I wanted to share with you something that I did this year, and I did it last year for my friends as well. I created my very own gingerbread house kits for my friends. So instead of having to go and purchasing a $15 to a $25 kit year after year after year, you invest in one of our little house molds and you use it over and over and over again. It is so worth the investment. And these, I mean, I should know the price, but I think it's like $25. Could be wrong. But, I mean, shoot, 1 year and it's paid for itself, right? So let me share with you what I have in my kit. So this cute little container just comes from the dollar store, and I was lucky enough last year and this year to find one that actually has gingerbread on it, so that's super exciting. So all I do is bake up with the recipe that's provided, the gingerbread. Hey Bambi, how are you? You were a recipient of one of these last year. Did y'all have fun making it? Comment below, let me know. So this is the front door and the back, and I just wrap them in cellophane. Then I have the two side pieces wrapped here in cellophane, or plastic wrap, sorry. And then I have the roof wrapped up as well. So it all stacks nice and neat in here. I can smell the gingerbread, yummy. And then I also go ahead, I'm so glad she loved it. Then I also went ahead and baked a batch of that same cookie dough recipe, Christmas tree, and I just cut it out with a Christmas tree cutter, wrapped that up and decorated it as well. Actually, this year I did better on my decorating of my Christmas tree. You get better with time, right? And then, yes, Bambi said it tasted good. Yes, this recipe is a delicious gingerbread recipe. And then I just add the other things you need for the gingerbread house, to create the house. So I added some gumdrops. I also go and buy these cute little containers at the dollar store, Dollar Tree. And then I go to Michael's and I got some little gingerbread candies and some little Christmas ornaments. So that goes in one little container. I have, in this box, I bought a variety pack of things. So these are like little snowflakes. Obviously, you put whatever candies in here. This one is filled with red and green M&Ms, and then candy canes. So last year, I also put a baggie of the meringue powder and the instructions with how to make the frosting to stick it all together. I scoured the grocery stores and there is no meringue powder to be seen. But if I refigure this, an actual tub of frosting will fit inside here. So that's everything for the kit. So you could add a cute little card with instructions or whatever. So this is just a great little gift to give somebody. And since, you know, it came from anything that you bake is always a great gift to give somebody. Now, if you're gonna do this at home, we also sell a decorating bag kit right here. So this is a super cool thing too. You can just put that frosting in a gallon Ziploc bag and squeeze it out, or however you want to do it. But our decorating bag kit is super cool. I actually like this because the frosting doesn't stick in here. It's this interesting material and it cleans up super duper nicely. So this is our decorating bag kit. It comes with 2 different bags. It comes with all the nozzles and it's super easy to use. If I can use this, that's saying a lot. But anyway, I just wanted to let you know about this cute little idea that you can do with your family, having these traditions or starting a tradition or just fun activities for your family is what the holidays are all about. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas. Bye! Happy cooking! For those watching on my YouTube channel, please be sure to subscribe, ring the bell so you will be notified of any of my upcoming videos, and give me some thumbs up.